Welcome back to CGI. We have another problem of the day. Before we get started, I want to give your teacher some time to pause the video. If you need to get these materials, again, you might be using your cubes, a dry erase board, and a dry erase marker. You already have your iPad, so you'll be all set for Seesaw when you submit your own problem of the day. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and have your hipsters go get their materials. I'll be here waiting. All right, let's dive into this problem today. All right, today we're going to be talking about marbles. If you know what a marble is, go ahead and tug your ears. Yeah, great. Marbles are round and they're glass, and you can play them for games, you can collect them. They're super cool, and I wonder if any of you guys have any marbles. Well, my friend King from kindergarten last year, he has a marble collection. Remember, a collection is when you collect things and you enjoy playing with them or looking at them or even sharing what you have in your collection. Well, King shared with me that he has 4 marbles in his collection. He has 4 marbles in his collection. Can you show me 4 on your fingers? Great. Then he went in his bedroom and looked under his bed, and he found 1 more marble. Can you show me 1 with your finger? So he has 4 and he has 1. Now we need to know how many marbles King has now. Let's jump to our problem and reread it again before we go and retell. King had 4 marbles. He found 1 more marble under his bed. How many marbles does King have now? All right, I want you to read it with me. Follow my red pointer. King had 4 marbles. He found 1 more marble under his bed. How many marbles does King have now? One more time. King had 4 marbles. He found 1 more marble under his bed. How many marbles does King have now? In a moment, your teacher is going to pause the video because they're going to look out to see who is ready to retell this story. So if you remember what the story is, put your hand on your head. Your teacher's going to look out to see who is ready to retell the story. Go ahead and dive into this problem, and I will see you guys when you get back. How'd they do? Great. Awesome. They're getting the hang of problem of the day. All right. In a moment, you are going to get instructions from your teacher and talk a little bit more about this problem and get a chance to solve your own problem in Seesaw. Let me read the problem one more time. King had 4 marbles. He found 1 more marble under his bed. How many marbles does King have now? When you go to Seesaw to submit your exit ticket, this is what you'll see. King had 4 marbles. He found 1 more marble under his bed. How many marbles does King have now? Remember, you use this box to draw how many marbles he had, how many he found, and then you'll write on the line below how many marbles. All right, Kipster, have a great time doing your problem of the day. See you next time.